A single-arm hydraulic press can accommodate a worktable of various sizes, as long as it falls within reasonable limits and can be customized to meet specific needs. For instance, our 100-ton single-arm hydraulic press, with a standard worktable dimension of 700 x 500, has been tailored for larger dimensions. This 100-ton single-arm hydraulic press now features an expansive worktable measuring 200 x 1500, an opening of 1200, and a stroke of 700. The customer's application involves metal component shaping, demanding a high degree of precision. Consequently, we've incorporated a servo system and integrated a linear scale to ensure precision. This setup provides fine control over pressure and speed. The result is a hydraulic press that is versatile, accurate, and capable of meeting stringent precision requirements.